Okay, our time is 7 minutes. Start now.
Greetings, judges and the opposite team. I'm the first speaker from government. Before we discuss about this motion, I want to make sure that our team very agree about this motion. So, ladies and gentlemen, first I will define about national exams. What is national exams? National exams is a test that all students in a country have to take. It's like a big test that shows how much you've learned in school. It helps measures if they have learned what is expected in school and is often used to decide if they can move to the next level of education. Why the national exam must be brought back? For the first example, first, fair for everyone. National exams are the same for all students in the country. This means that no matter where you live or which school you go to, you will be tested in the same way. It is a fair system because everyone gets the same chance to show what they know. Second, helps improve learnings. When national exams are used, school will pay more attention to teaching the important subjects. This helps students focus on what they need to learn. It also makes sure that all schools are teaching the same basic skill and knowledge that students need in the future. Quote unquote, improve our knowledge. Third, prepare for the future. Taking a big exams helps students learn how to handle pressure and manage their time well. These are important skills for life, especially when they could go to higher education or work in the future. National exam can teach students how to stay focused and do their best. Fourth, makes everyone work harder. When students know they have to take a national exam, they will study harder to prepare. Prepared teacher will also work harder to make sure their students understand the lessons. Quote unquote for the exams. Fifth, decides fairly who moves up. National exams are a fair way to decide if a student is ready to move to the next grade or level. Without them, some decisions might be unfair or based on opinions. The exams make sure that all students are judged equally. The conclusion is the national exam is a very important part of education because it helps create fairness and improve learnings for everyone. By having a test that is the same for all students in this country, we ensure that everyone gets an equal chance to show that they know, no matter where they live or what school they go to. It also encourages schools to focus on teaching the most important lessons, which can help students prepare for their future studies or careers. National exams are not just for students, they also help teachers and schools. Students are motivated to study harder, and teachers are encouraged to do their best in teaching at the same time. The government can use the results to find areas that need help, such as schools that are not performing well, and provide them with extra support. Another benefit, another benefit is that national exams help students learn how to handle pressure and manage their time. These are important skills that they will need in the future, whether in college on or at work. By preparing students for challenge like this, national exams make them stronger and more confident. Finally, many other countries use national exams to improve their education system. and there can compete globally. By bringing back the national exams, we can make sure our students are ready to compete at same level and ensure our education system is as strong as possible. For all these reasons, the national exam should be brought back to make education better, fairer, and more effective for everyone. Thank you.
Alright. Alright. Your time is 6 minutes. So much better. Wait. Go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am a second speaker in our team in positive side. From previous speaker, I would
Yes.
like to highlight some important point from his explanation.
Hmm.
First point, with the reintroduction of national exam, this will set quote unquote the same test standard for all students.
Hmm.
This means that no matter where you live or which school you go to, if you are quote unquote dumb or smart, you will be quote unquote test in the same way, and it will produce students with a high quality. Second point, if the government reintroduction of national exam, it will motivate students to study harder. Where students used to be lazy in high school, they will work harder to continue their studies. And the teacher will also work harder to make sure their students understand the lesson. This this creates a environment where everyone is motivated to do their best. That point, with national exam, the students will be well prepared for the college, especially for college entrance test preparation. National exam also can be used as a criterion for university admission because the national exam, quote unquote, is designed to set high standards. Of course, we realize that the national exam also has the cons because it puts pressure on students. But pressure is not always a bad thing. In fact, the pressure will trigger us to bring out our best potential. However, schools and teachers also play an important role in overcoming students' pressure by providing adequate education.
2 minutes 49.
Oh, my bad, sorry.
When you're ready, I'll start the time. Right? Your times start. Okay. Your time start now.
As a third speaker, I would like to give you example why national exam should be brought back. First, for school. The national examination has several benefits for school. Firstly, improve the quality of education. The UN can ensure for all students in Indonesia have an equal level of knowledge and skill. Second, increasing student motivation. Students who usually don't like studying often start preparing seriously for the national examination. Third, improving the school image. Schools that achieve a 100% graduation rate and have a grade point of average usually have a better image in the eyes of the public. Fourth, increase the public attention to the world of education. The national examination can increase public attention to the world of education. Second, for teacher, The national examination can provide several benefits for teacher. First, encourage teacher to improve the quality of teaching.
Nice.
Second, provide the STEM standard to measure student abilities.
Nice.
Third, help identify educational gaps between regions.
Alright.
And last, helping the government design more effective education
Policies.
policies. Third, for student.
Nice.
The national examination has several benefits for student.
Alright.
First, increase learning motivation. Students who usually don't like studying will prepare seriously to face the national examination. Second, ensure knowledge and skill level are equivalent. The UN can ensure that all students throughout Indonesia have an equal level of knowledge and skill.
Then your time is 2 minutes 33 seconds. Please. Lihat. Tadi bilangnya very very agree diganti dengan strongly lah. Ini catat. Boleh catat. Very very agree. Pemborosan kata tuh. Very very agree itu strongly. Terus kalian bertiga punya satu kesamaan yang sama. Bilang educationnya education.
Oh iya, education harusnya.
Education.
Education lagi.
Kebiasaan, sorry.
Diubah ya habitnya. Penting tuh. Catat tuh education. D itu dibaca J. Education. Terdengarnya tuh simple, tapi kalau saya ya, jadi juri saya tuh apa ya, kayak risih. Education, pendidikan, bacanya education. Ada bilang tadi often nggak? Often. T-nya. Kamu ada gak? Tadi saya ada, kayak kamu ada deh. Often, sering. Ada. Sama Rehan tadi bilangnya ke knowledge.
Jadi bacanya apa Pak itu?
Knowledge. Kamu you made to mispronunciate tadi. Knowledge. Higher. Saya bilangnya higher. Terus bilang studentnya juga salah nih. Student. Ada C di situ. Student. Oke. Education's often knowledge.
Student.
Student. C. Ada C di sana. Student. Kalau S harus pakai C. Favorable students ya. Terus ya kamu sudah bener kan. Cuma tadi depannya aja. Kamu depannya itu kurang ladies and gentlemen doang. Kayak jadi ini ke sini perpindahan dari ke argumen ke lain kurang ladies and gentlemen. Itu tuh buying times. Jadi gentlemen itu memberikan kita waktu ekstra. Ya kayak gini langsung. The national exam gitu. Ladies and gentlemen, the national exam gitu loh. Itu tuh interaction.
Saya juga gitu ya.
Ya, sama juga aja saya. Nggak ada ladies and gentlemen. Tapi masih ada, mending saya masih ada tadi ladies and gentlemen. Gitu, ada tadi berapa?
Saya cuma di awalnya aja tadi.
Ini loh. Ladies and gentlemen, our conclusion for the day is national kayak gitu loh.
Terus saya kurang kesimpulan nggak sih Pak?
Betul. Tapi kamu sudah benar ngutip sama tadi itu. It's a good point.
Nih, saya
Pertahankan.
baru tulis sekarang.
Ya enggak apa. Yang penting pas giliran you tahu anunya. Tadi poin ada yang sama, the same test standard. Bagus tuh. School image. Sama aja saya tadi nggak ngutip Sarah. Sarah berarti nggak ngasih jasa ya. Berarti kalian berdua salah. Kamu nggak nanya, Sarah nggak kasih. Itu. Overall sudah sangat meningkat kok. Ya, tolong pertahankan. 2 hari tidak latihan, tolong jangan hilang. Ya, susunannya. Sekarang saya kasih PR.
Sudah tahu dah saya.
Iya, sudah tahu kan polanya sekarang. Nah, ya istirahat. Berarti besok gak usah latihan. Saya kasih PR tapi. Ya, PR-nya adalah membuat negatif dari topik yang kita sudah bahas.
Yang lain, Pak.
Ya kebalikannya.
Ini yang
Ya,
ini.
yang ini dan yang lain-lainnya.
Oh, jadi kayak kan kita ada yang positif itu kita bikin
Negatif, yang dapat poin negatif dapat yang positif. Itu saja kebalikan. Ya. Nanti hari Minggu kita nge-zoom sebentar untuk pengarahan. Itu udah. Bajunya dicuci, disiapkan, disetrika.
saya cari ini maka isi baju berapa dapat
Masa lepasnya banyak kan?
segini ini lah Pak, ini lepas semua.
Jadi
Beda
gimana?
juga.